Hey, high levelers, Rayo Daniel here. I'm really pumped. I'm super excited to bring this update to you from Highlevel because this is one of the last things that I've been waiting for to hear from Highlevel, to really sit back and to show you how the Highlevel community feature really compares schools and is now going to be out exceeding the Skool platform. Now, what do you mean by that? Right now, communities was primarily built so that people inside of Highlevel can have an area where you can communicate, very similar to the community that Skool was currently. But Highlevel wanted to bring that in-house. They want to have a system inside of their portal, inside of their course membership area where it can all be integrated. Highlevel has been doing a great job working to get all of that stuff done. But when communities came out, they've been slowly adding more and more features. Now, I did a video probably a month or two ago regarding communities and Skool, and I'm going to link that in this video description below. But that's the primary video that I had that goes over the outline of the features of community versus Skool. If you're on the fence of which one to choose, that video is really the best one to watch as well. I'm not going to cover some of the information that's in there because I've already covered it. But what I'd like to do is show you some of the absolutely cool new features that they've just come out with. I'm here probably in the last day or so with Highlevel. And just this right here is it. This feature right here now equals Skool. All of the Skool features, because there are people out there that says, no, Highlevel communities really don't match Skool because Skool has these features here. Now, again, I created a video that kind of go over feature by feature set. And there were a few, I'm going to be honest, there were a few features that Highlevel was missing from their communities that Skool had. One of which was a global search inside of the community. One of the things that Skool provided was that you could search and go through all of the things that posts that were in the community to sit back and find a post. Guess what? Highlevel has that now. Now, that's not the feature I'm looking to talk about today, but that was one of the ones that I spoke about in the video that I've linked. And as far as the feature set that communities at that time, a couple of months ago, did not have, but now they do. One of these features now is being able to sit back and open and start using the gamification and the leadership board feature to be able to unlock training. Now that right there has been one of the things that Skool had that I pointed out in that video, in my previous video, that now community features has. They've just released it. Pretty freaking awesome. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so right here, this is my portal. Again, I have two communities. If you don't know me, I am an affiliate for Highlevel. So my little plug. I hope you find the video useful. I hope you find all of my videos on my channel useful. If you do want to sit back and join Highlevel, I have a 30-day free trial link that you can sign up with. But before you sign up, I always suggest you please go through my SaaS Jumpstart training. That's also in the link of this video. I don't like you to join Highlevel and spend those 30 days on the free trial learning Highlevel, then trying to sit back and build your business. You don't need to do it that way. Go through my SaaS Jumpstart course, take all of my free resources, learn, spend a week. You can go through it easily in a week. This way, you're going to learn all about Highlevel, all the things that you're going to be able to do inside of the SaaS Jumpstart course, and then you start your 30-day free trial. Then you've got an idea of what you're looking to do moving forward, and you can hit the ground running using my 30-day action plan free course that I've developed as well. So again, if you're looking to upgrade to Agency Pro, I've got a link in there for an upgrade. And if you're looking even to sign up for the AI employee feature, which I know is not a part of this video, but you can also use my reference code RayO'Daniel, and then that will get you as an affiliate of mine and get you all of my bonuses. So that was my little plug. Sorry about that, but let's hop in. I'm going to start with this SaaS Jumpstart community. This is the one I just told you about that I want everybody to learn from. This right here has all the courses that I really want to go over and the features that I want to be able to show you with Highlevel with the new unlocking features. Now, right now, if you know about communities, this is one of the things that you can do inside of your communities. You can actually have all of your training inside of the communities. The training is actually on this little tab called Learning right here. You can have it here. Now, you can also, just to be a heads up, you can have it up here in these little 3 dots in the corner. Sorry, 9 dots. Click on this. I have mine disabled, but you can have communities, courses, and affiliate. Now, I don't have affiliates. I don't use the affiliate manager for what I do. So I hide that so people can't even see that, and I don't have that feature turned on. Now, with the courses, I could have the courses here, and if anybody wants to go get my free snapshots, if you want to get my 30-day action plan, if you want to get any of my SaaS Jumpstart training, all of that stuff is in the coursework, but I make the coursework available through the Learning tab of the community, which I just recommend to everybody. It's just a really good way to do it because you don't have to leave the community to do that. So again, I just hide mine and just have communities available. But let's go ahead and hop into Learning. One of the nice things that I did is if you haven't taken advantage of the AI employee playbook and you're looking to start an AI agency, please check that out. You get that with signing up for the SaaS Jumpstart. I lumped all of this stuff in here together. But one of the things that I want to show you here is that there are a couple of different things that I have here. Notice that if I'm going to blow this up, notice that this is free, which means it's just a free course. I don't charge you for it. This is free. Now, I do have one thing in here that I do charge for. Now, this is for people that want it. It's my cold email outreach snapshot. So if you're looking to start doing prospecting and you're looking to build a cold email outreach system, you can sit back and watch my video training on YouTube. You can build it yourself. You can do all that stuff. And probably it took me 2 to 3 weeks to build everything initially and get everything the way I wanted it. Rather than spending 2 or 3 weeks, I just much rather just give it to you and have you be able to sit back and set it up in a matter of hours. Now, I do charge $297 for this. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I want to show you the different ways that Highlevel is offering the training whenever we look at the options. So I only have free, in the SaaS Jumpstart course, I only have free trainings, which primarily is what it's for. But there are people inside of here that use this training that are not my affiliates. So again, if you're my affiliate, then you have access to this other group right here. This is my affiliate support group that I access, I answer your questions, I help you with your business. I do all that kind of fun, cool stuff. This is the intro group with just learning Highlevel and so forth. So learning, let's go ahead and take a look here. By adding a course, we're going to see the new options that Highlevel is giving you to sit back and now be able to add courses here. Now, here's the course. Now, granted, all of these things that you see right here, these are all of the courses that you've already configured in Highlevel in the products area. Now, this is where I want to sit back and at least leave the portal area and hop back into Highlevel, because a lot of people don't understand the connection between your portal, these Courseworks, and the product membership area inside of Highlevel. And I don't know how they're going to integrate this or do this in the future. It'll be interesting to find out. But there are parts of Highlevel that you have to create the coursework, the courses, upload the video, do everything inside of Highlevel first. Then you can sit back and have access to the courses inside of the community and the portal training area. So here, just to give you, I'm going to pop back over. This is my account where I have a lot of my coursework done. So you're going to come over here to the left to membership. And here, if you go to courses and you click on products, this product area right here is where you have to build all of the products and courses and everything first before you can use them here inside of the community. So notice if you click on add course and like affiliate training and bonuses, which is again is one of my bonuses for my affiliates, client onboarding, SaaS fast jumpstart, things like that, the SaaSpreneur course and collaterals. So these right here, all of these are coursework that I've already completed here inside of this area. So that's why you can see them. So you have to come to Highlevel first to the memberships. Then you have to come to courses and products, create the products. Then you have to add the products to your offers and so forth. But I just want to show you that's what you have to do first. It just doesn't magically show up in the list. So a lot of people have questions as far as, but it's great. How do I add my product to this list? How do I get it in here? And the biggest thing is that you just need to come here, go to your coursework, your products, and then publish it. You do have to publish it. Just to give you an example, if I open this up here, I can be working on this course, but if I were to come here and just move this into drafting mode, then it would not be visible. This lesson or category will not be visible and nobody would be able to see it. And this is the way you would do it if you're currently working on it and you're building it, but you haven't built it yet. I just wanted to show you that real quick because some people do have questions about that. But let's hop back over and look at the cool stuff here. Sorry, I don't mean to keep pushing it, but I just want to show you because a lot of people, I don't want to lose people here. So I'm going to blow this up a little bit. So once you select your course, and let's just say we're going to do my affiliate training and bonuses, which I'm not going to make it available. That's only for my affiliates. I can make it available to all members, okay? And that's like the free thing that I'm doing. I added it for free. And the buy now is what I just showed you as far as my cold snapshot outreach. Now, I can have a one-time payment, or if I wanted to, I can make it So that's one of the benefits of this is that the buy now, I have mine set up as buy now. You pay $297, you get it, and it's yours to use. You can also set up a reoccurring payment if you want. That's completely up to you. But the all members and buy now, those were already available to you initially. The new features that really have become available is this nice level unlock. So if you click on, this goes back to your leaderboard and your gamification. Now, let's take a look at this. You see the gamification level here? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 9. Now, I'm going to show you what these are here. What does the gamification levels mean? What is it that you're looking to? How do you use this? So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. But before I do that, I do want to sit back and also explain the time unlock. So the time unlock is simply what it says. The number of days that you have to be a member of your community before it unlocks. This could be a week, it could be 30 days, it could be whatever. But sometimes if you join a community, sometimes the owner of the community wants you to go through another series of training first. They want you to go through, it could be a week, could be 2 weeks before they give you access to this. So really it's just a matter of, it's not like I want to hide it from you, but you have to go through some of this other training first initially. So you won't even need this until, let's just say, 30 days. So here we can sit back and just put in 30 days. Keep in mind, it does say that the maximum is 365, 1 year. The time unlock feature is nice, and it is something that you have available, is a new feature, but the level unlock, this right here is the Skool community feature that I really was talking about here. This is the one thing that Highlevel was missing. The last thing they were missing to really compete eye to eye from communities to Skool communities inside of both platforms. And they finally done it. So right now, again, for the gamification, what I want to do is come over here and come back to the leaderboard. Here's my leaderboard right here. Notice that inside of the leaderboard, in every community that you have does this. By the way, here's another cool thing that I think makes communities better than Skool. And that is because inside of Highlevel, when you have your own plan, especially like the Agency Pro plan, which I always recommend people get, there's just so many other benefits of going to Agency Pro. I know it's the most expensive. I know it's $487, and I'm not trying to push everybody toward that, but it has the most automations, the most possibilities of making additional revenue streams, and all the other possible benefits that you can get inside of Highlevel using that plan. And all you need is 1 or 2 customers to help cover the cost of that. But inside of here, this leaderboard is super cool because, I'm sorry, not the leaderboard, just the communities. Before I go into that, Highlevel offers you unlimited communities. So you can have 50 free communities if you want to. You can have 50 free, 50 paid, whatever. It's completely up to you on how you want to design your system, but Highlevel does not limit you as far as being able to do that. Now, one of the things I do want to sit back and let you know about is that Highlevel now has they're extending their community feature, and including all of the stuff that we've already seen here, the leaderboards and all the community features is now being extended inside of the GoHighLevel feature. If I get this right, I'll GoHighLevel.com. So if we go here, this right here is a website that the GoHighLevel.com site is where Highlevel is now offering communities for free to anybody that wants it. Create your free community. So yes, they've actually going right up head to head against Skool to sit back and compete for that particular form of business, that market share. And I think they're going to get it. Right now, the communities and everything that you get, ultimately, of course, they're trying to push everybody into Highlevel, their business, but they are offering it for free. So people can come here instead of going to Skool. Again, when you go for Skool, you have to pay. You have to pay if at the time of this thing is $99 per community. So if you want to have a free community and a paid community, that's $99 times 2 that you have to pay for every single month. And that's fine. That may very well work in your business model, but if you already have Highlevel, you get communities for $0, for free. They're included, and you get an unlimited number of them. Not only do you get an unlimited number, you can add your products and sell your products for a recurring price or for whatever. Imagine if you're a coach. Just imagine if you're coaching and you're using the community feature to sit back and attract people in certain niches. You can sell your product in each one of those communities for a one-time course or even like a recurring course. Cost. So you see, the benefit of you being able to do this and utilize these are exceptional, are just so cool. But getting back in here, this leaderboard, this was something that Highlevel did months and months ago when they updated it that really pushed them. I think this was right around the October 2024 summit. So this is probably 5 months ago or something like that at this point. But they've really built this thing out to compete with Skool. And I think this now, because you can start unlocking courses when people get to a certain gamification level. Now, again, for those people that don't know, when I say gamification, all that means is the leaderboard level. So notice that this is level 1 to level 9. So we have all these different levels here, level 2 all the way up to level 9. So you have all these people, and depending upon what level you want to unlock it at, it's just additional bonuses. The whole point of the leaderboard is to get people involved, get people to communicate, get people to post inside of your community, interact. And the more they interact, the more they reply to posts, the more they do all this other stuff, the more points they get. And then the higher they get from level 1, level 2, level 3. And then they can basically earn their way through your community up into your training course rather than giving it for free. Now, I give my stuff away for free. I just like that because I want to be able to help you guys out. But anyway, this is super cool. This just came out. So now you can come here. If you look at this, you now have, of course, a time unlock, which is great. That's a great new feature as well. And that's pretty straightforward and simple. But this right here is the one I really wanted to sit back and recommend. The level unlock. This was the feature that I compared, that I said that Highlevel did not have in my last video when I compared communities versus Skool. Now it's here. You can simply choose the whatever level you want. And again, keep in mind, this is level 0 through 9 based upon those levels that you already saw. So this is it. You just simply add your course, set the level, and then when somebody reaches that level, it becomes open and unlocked. Super freaking cool. Way to go, Highlevel, to get this stuff done. So now it is on. It is absolutely on for Skool versus Highlevel communities. I can't wait to see what's going to happen here because all the new features are here. Everything, including this nice little search bar here at the top for all of your discussions. That was another thing, the major thing that other people were looking for. Another big one, just to let you know, was this chat feature here. So I guess I can. Here, if you open it up, you can search for a member. You can start chatting, which is a one-to-one chat communication between you and somebody else in your community. At the time, I think I did the community versus Skool That chat feature might just come out, maybe not, but that would be another one. But it's here. Communities is now equivocal to Skool feature by feature. And now it even beats Skool because it's free, where Skool has a paid account. So again, if you want to sit back and use the communities in a paid fashion, I'm sure you're going to have to pay for it at some point. That's just the way business works. But thanks so much for hanging out with the video. I just want to give you this quick update, let you know what was going on here. I'm super excited that now it's here. Communities versus Skool, no more. Communities is the best way to go. So I'm hoping now that these feature sets are here, that all the high-level people will now start moving away from Skool and onto communities. Maybe, I know it's hard moving away from a platform, especially if you're making a good chunk of money. So I understand that, can respect that. But guys, thanks for hanging in there with me. If you learned something, click on the like button. Leave me a comment if you have a question. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel here. There's a ton of great stuff on here, and I give a ton of stuff away. Thanks for hanging in there with me, and have a great day. Bye-bye.